How to delete blocked number in WhatsApp without unblock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn whether or not it is possible for us to delete the blocked numbers on WhatsApp without unblock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up the WhatsApp Messenger application here, and once you've done that, you tap the three dots option, you go to settings, and then you go to privacy here, and then you scroll down to the blocked account section, and you happen to block a certain amount of people. And if you want to remove them from your block list because you don't want to see them, the only way you can do that is by unblocking them. So can you remove someone from your block list without unblocking? Well, unfortunately the answer is no, but let me explain to you why. Let's say you deleted someone from your block list today without unblocking. Tomorrow you decide that you want to unblock them, but you don't have their phone number, you don't have their contact details. How will you know and unblock that person again? That is why the record of unblocking always has to be there. You might say to us that, I don't want to see this person at all, I would just want him completely gone or her completely gone from my life or my list. But WhatsApp cannot work based on emotions. It's a huge multi-billion-dollar company and they cannot work based on human emotions. Whatever you do, the record always has to be there for legal consequences later on. So this way is the reason why you will not be able to remove blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking, because the record always has to be there. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.